Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Tuesday the 7th of June 2022. A few things to cover in today's brief. First thing, just wanted to highlight some of the posts that one of the traders on the desk here, Charles, was making inside the chat room before. I know Charles monitors leveraged longs and leveraged shorts quite frequently as part of his trading strategy. I think he was just highlighting that leverage long positions across multiple brokers just hit the highest levels that he'd seen. And this has basically been today's reaction. So the selling that we've been seeing, nearly $5 billion worth of leveraged longs up over the past few days, and now within 2 hours, they're now all losing. So you saw within a moving average cross here on the 5-minute time frame, a $2,200 price drop on BTC. That's what Charles was highlighting. So quite an interesting way to look at things when it comes to pricing, and I know that reflects well in his most recent trading talk video as well. If you haven't already seen that, then I encourage you to check it out, where he shares one of his own trading systems. So that's Charles's understanding of the move down we've seen in BTC. I'll also add to that the fact that we've seen a bit of a risk off move across the board. Equities open up in the red. No real reason for that other than that this is still a bear market, guys. So the overall macro backdrop is much better for selling risk assets and certainly not holding high growth tech stocks. Nasdaq continues to move lower, and of course that's now being reflected in crypto prices. I'll just remind you again of that high correlation that we've been seeing between crypto, in particular BTC and the Nasdaq, and that continues to hold. But for now, some of the technicals on cryptos are certainly managing themselves, and I'll just highlight again what they are. On Ethereum, we've got this range between 1700 and 2000. This so far today is holding, but if we do see a daily close below 1700, this market could be in trouble and we could be set for another leg lower. Pretty obvious why. As you can see, that range holding twice, we're into it again. Good opportunity to buy, but remember, them leverage longs. Let's just see how that plays out throughout the rest of the session and how the US markets in particular open up and trade today. Will we see some selling across US equities? We've got the US CPI, but that's not until Friday. I'm expecting some quieter markets between now and then, but if these technical levels do break, it could be a case of moving lower, simply a case of finding some new sellers and them leverage longs being wiped out of positions. BTC just floating underneath the 3K handle. Any breakout to the upside has been faded. We're basically seeing that now on Bitcoin several times now. It's tried to get out of this range. Another false break, another fade, and a move back down into the 27,000 area could be on the cards. As you can see here, Litecoin just about holding on to its range. The range lows are around 61, 61.50, just clinging on for now. But again, a daily close below, that'll be a lower close below the past, probably talking 10 bars there, and another leg lower into 50 could be on the cards. Ripple also testing one of its key support areas. I'll just highlight what that is. I mean, you can all quite clearly see there's a big support handle being put under pressure right here, but also the trend to the downside is remaining very much intact. Them lower highs continue to confirm the trend lower. Another lower high here and a break of the 0.3870 handle could see this market move down into the 0.3343 area. That's it from mine for the crypto brief for today. I'll see you all in tomorrow's. Until next time, all the best with your trading and bye for now.